At BDCP, Better Days Construction and Plumbing, every project begins with one commitment: delivering plumbing systems that perform with precision, safety, and long-term reliability. What starts as an empty space becomes a fully engineered environment built to support patient care. Our team brings years of specialized experience in medical and dental plumbing. From rough-ins to final activation, every line, every valve, and every connection is measured, inspected, and installed with trusted accuracy. Dental and medical clinics demand more than standard plumbing. They require sterile water lines, dependable suction and vacuum, proper drainage, air systems, and seamless equipment integration. At BDCP, we design and install plumbing infrastructures tailored to your workflow, your equipment, and the clinical standards you must meet. The result is a smoother, safer, cleaner system that supports every procedure. BDCP, Better Days Construction and Plumbing.